Troy Century TV. Hi guys, today we're gonna play Don't Picks for the One Button Challenge.
So, with this game, you have to cover your eyes.
And then mommy, which one did you press?
That's the correct one.
And look at wrong.
So any of the other buttons, other than the orange one,
No, mommy.
it is wrong.
Mommy, no cards, right, Daddy?
And if you get the right button?
And if you get the right button,
You get the
then
card.
you choose from these 5 cards. As this one is the spoon,
You put it in your mouth.
you have to pick up the spoon with your mouth
And put it in the other bowl.
and take 10 pieces of cereal at one time and put it in the other bowl, and you have 1 minute to do it. This one is
It's dark, you do
the
it.
target. So you take this ball and you
Throw it.
have
Throw it.
different areas on the
Mommy,
target.
throw it in the middle.
The goal is to take this ball and hit the target in the middle,
Mommy,
which is right behind this. So,
Mommy, guess what, Mommy? Yesterday, I hit it in the middle at Nani's house.
if you hit the ball in the middle, then you get 2 points. And then the one outside of the 2 is 1 point, and then outside of the 1 is no points.
Oh my gosh, Daddy, that's kind of stranger. What is doing to me?
So this one is
It's done.
no thumb. So you have to use your 4 fingers without your thumb
But Daddy,
to complete a task.
then Daddy, no thumbs, no toys, and nothing.
Right.
You
This one
use
is
the
gonna
mouth
be
and put
pretty
it
hard.
on the bowl.
And next we have the red cups with the table tennis
But
ball.
Daddy, you throw the balls in the cup.
So you have to take a table tennis ball and throw it in the red cup 3 in a row. If you get 3 in a row, you win. If not,
No
shut
points,
of luck.
and no points.
No points. Lastly, we have this one here.
But the forehead, and then Daddy, and then Mommy, you put the cereal in your mouth, and then you jump.
Right, so with this one, where the arrow's pointing at the forehead, you take a piece of cereal, put it on your forehead, and use your head to take the cereal, and hopefully it lands in your mouth.
Oh.
No hands.
Oh.
Ready for this challenge?
Mm-hmm.
All right, good luck, kid.
That's wrong.
Okay, Daddy, I am not crying like a baby.
That's good.
That's her
Close your
turn. Yeah. No points. And
No points. All right,
It's gonna be a long game.
it's gonna be a long game, kid.
it says,
Yep.
Daddy, she cheated.
I did not cheat.
Daddy, she cheated, right?
How did I cheat?
Did you do this?
No, I took a guess.
All right.
So, let's see what my challenge is.
Forehead.
Oh, this one's gonna be pretty interesting.
Ooh.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, that was
Almost.
close. You got 1 minute.
Maybe just stick your tongue out. That would be easy.
No, I'm just throwing it down. Almost.
Mommy, you made it a big mess, right, Daddy?
Yeah. 20 seconds.
No, Mommy, lick Mommy, jump to this, Mommy.
You got the wrong cereal.
Huh?
Yeah, I think I did.
stuck. Yeah, that's. Alright, time.
Oh boy.
Alright. Nope.
Thank you. Yay! Oh, thank you for my
All
round
right.
button. Thank you for my round button. Thank
Mix
you.
them.
I hope she picked this one.
Yeah.
And then hide this, okay?
No.
Go for it. Nope. Mommy, I keep right here, Mommy.
Alright, go
You're
ahead,
a cheater pumpkin eater.
Mommy.
Got it right. Let's see what your challenge is, ma'am.
Don't look at the cards.
Just pick up the green one. Pick up the green one. You touched it. Nope, this one.
Yay! Did it.
What is it? Okay.
Thank you.
All that. Bounce them.
Oh.
Bounce it on the table like that.
We're not that hard. Keep going. You got 1 minute.
Keep going.
Dang, girl, don't bounce it that hard. There you go. A little less. That's hard. There you go. There you go.
Ah, good job.
Almost.
It's too hard.
Almost. Faster.
Oh, good job.
Nope. Mommy. Which one?
Chris.
Ow, this is in my eyes.
Alright. You ready?
Go. One at a time.
Oh.
See, does that count?
I think the Cocoa Puffs would have been better.
Keep going, girl.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, I guess.
Oh.
2 more.
Oh.
Almost. So 1, 2, 3, and 4.
That was easy, right?
That was so easy.
Wait, yes, welcome, my mommy won. Dun-dun-dun.
Boom challenge.
Okay.
Okay, I am ready. Go.
You have 5 more minutes.
Okay.
Alrighty, right?
1 more. All right, you did it. That's 1 point.
Don't be like Larry. Don't be salty.
Who's next?
I am.
Make sure it's 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Nope. Sorry, kid.
All right.
Clear.
All right.
All right, keep your eyes closed.
Cover my eyes. Oh, do. Go off in this, mommy. Yep.
How did I cheat? I just randomly pulled a card. I don't need help. It's over. I'm ready.
Go.
We're only giving like that with a rat.
Did you look?
I said we're looking like a rat.
Did you look?
Did you look to see where it was? But did you see where the orange button was? Tell the truth.
Redo.
I don't think she looked this time. Pick a card, any card.
Oh, wait.
What's that?
No, I
What do you
don't
mean,
like
no? You picked it. What's it?
Spoon.
All right.
What, man?
Go.
Alright, go.
There you go. Hurry up. How many is that? 6. One more. All right.
Alright, good job.
Nope.
All right.
Wait. Haha.
Come up now.
All finished, mommy. Really? You better be. Mommy, can I pick? Let me help you to pick.
I have to choose the card. I'm mixing them up, so.
Really?
They're already mixed up.
Well done.
What did you do?
Go.
One at a time?
Yes. 2.
Oh my God, Daddy, right? Oh my gosh, Dad, she's doing faster, right?
All right. 2 points now.
You did.
All right. tell us.
Did you? No thumb.
Oh, wait.
Ready?
What are you
Go.
doing? Can you hold this?
One at a time. One. Keep going. Two. One at a time.
One at a time. Nah, just eat, chew it.
Hurry up, honey.
Pick, no. Are you choking? Pick one cereal up at a time. Chew that in your mouth.
Keep going, girl. You got a timer. You got like 8 things to do.
There you go. Keep going.
I'm doing that.
So 3, 4, 5, 6.
Nah, 1. Faster. Hurry up, girl.
7.
5 seconds.
Come on.
9. One more. Go, go, go.
10.
Yes.
Yes.
There we go. Daddy, mommy. Okay, mommy.
I did not cheat.
All right.
I know, mommy.
Card.
Mommy, I'm just gonna tell you, you didn't cheat.
Oh, that's 2.
Mommy, Daddy, she won.
Target. It's not over yet, honey.
Target. Got a target.
Don't went too hard.
Alright, I'm ready.
Go ahead.
I got a minute, right?
There's 3 tries. That's 0. Okay. One more try. One more. I guess that's 0.
Who won, Daddy?
Nobody. Pick them up.
Okay. Mommy, done.
All right.
Twist, drag, Fiona, Vampire, Jack.
Go ahead.
Whose turn is it?
Your turn.
All right.
Mommy, Daddy, who won? Ew.
What's that?
No, down.
Down. Okay.
No, down. Okay.
Ready? Set. Go.
One Cocoa Puff at a time.
Hurry up, man. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 10.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Play, Mommy. Nope, nope. Ha ha.
Pick your card for your challenge.
Me, 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 me. Me, me, me. Ew, what's this? Yeah.
Cups.
Got the cups again.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm ready.
Go. That's so hard. Keep going.
Not so hard.
That's so hard. There you go. This one. You gotta bounce it.
You gotta bounce it.
That's so hard. Hurry up, girl. The ball's right there. All right. It's not over yet.
So now we're gonna continue the game.
Ah!
You done?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we're gonna
Mommy.
continue the game where we left off on yesterday. So right now, Anahi has 3 points to my 2, and we're gonna go up to 5. So let's see who wins.
Aww. Okay, help you.
Stop. You're breaking my concentration. I got 3 across.
You did it.
3 in a row, right? Woo! My 3 to your 3. I'm catching up to you, kid. Okay, ready?
All right.
Pick a card. Any card.
All right.
So now you gotta take a raisin on your forehead and see if you can get it in your mouth with no hands. Take a raisin, put it on your forehead.
So you gonna lose?
So you're gonna forfeit your point? Okay.
All right.
This is what you get. You'll show it in your painting.
Next.
Cover your eyes. Alright. Ew, stop licking my hand, nasty. You're disgusting. Go. That's what you get.
Next.
My turn.
Are you ready, Mommy?
Yes.
Okay, good. This
Get
is
off the
what.
table.
That's what you get.
Come on. Cover your eyes. Alright. You missed. My turn.
Blue's your favorite color, Mommy. And are you ready? Go ahead. Hey, this is what you get. Shake it, boom, boom.
Cover your eyes, silly. Go. You cheating. Stop.
Car.
I know it's your hook. But,
Cups.
yay, caps.
Let us know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Go.
Go.
Get on, girl. Wow.
You got it. 4-3. All right.
Oh.
Good job. 4-3.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. It's gone. Are you ready? Go ahead.
Where's your hand?
Mom, that's not what you get. No.
No, it's not what I get. Okay, cool. My turn.
No. Ready? This is what you get. You plum eater.
Pumpkin eater. See?
Yeah.
Go.
get to the last
This could be it. Game point.
Who?
Got
It's
it.
not over.
Almost. Okay.
Boing! Oops. Son. Now you got 2, right?
You get 3 tries. Stay right here.
Yes, sir. Is that go?
Go, girl.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Slow it down a little bit. A little more.
Come on, aim for the board.
Mm.
Ready?
Wow.
Mommy, I asked you enough. I didn't pick wrong, but here we go.
Here we go.
Dang. You ain't got to throw that hard now.
How do you want that?
Make sure it's sticky now.
Huh?
Make sure it's sticky because that one's dirty.
Should I put it in water or something?
It's up to you. Dang.
What the?
Yeah, you're right. What the?
What?
Go.
You cover my nose.
Mix them up.
I didn't want. Quick. You're
Done?
all ready to go.
Nah, seriously.
I hope you do best like this.
Yeah, I know. So you're gonna mix them up again.
All right.
Beep, 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 beep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No, it's not ready yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. Okay, it's ready.
Wow. All right.
Mom, you want a toy?
Not yet.
She's too old for a toy.
It's gonna be so hard.
That's what you get.
And I got what?
Not yet. All right.
Go.
Ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
This is what that's what you get. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and
Oh.
Oh, I thought you had it.
1, 2, 3,
What's the score?
4
to 3.
4 to 3.
Okay.
5, 6, 7,
Oh, it went behind me.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
You're a little
13,
distracted.
14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23,
15
24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Wow. Mommy, maybe it should go on the floor. Mommy didn't want the toy.
No, I did not.
Should you lose, Mommy?
Okay.
All right. Draw.
Bah!
All right. Game point.
Go!
Yes.
Oh, Mommy, you double racing.
I know.
It's dirty.
Go. You wasting time.
That's no time limit.
Oh. Step back. Okay. Go.
Nope.
Mm-mm.
One more time.
I can't. There we go.
You got this, kid.
Mommy, this one was the last time I hit it in the moon in Maddie's house.
Okay, so she won a Hatchimals game toy, and this is all of the Hatchimal items she can collect, starting from the egg all the way to the like penguin birds or Tweety birds.
Let me see what that are.
So-
Mommy, can you help me?
We're gonna see what she collected.
You know how to do it?
Oh, let me see. No, mommy, no, mommy.
I think I broke it.
So adorable.
What is that?
It's a tiger.
Unless that's how you open it.
I
think that's how you open it.
Yeah. That's how you open. I see something yellow. I see a beautiful eyes. There's some ears. Oh. Who could be this be? 8. Woo!
What is it?
Hang on. Let me give it out her egg kite.
Come on. Ew, is this a pretty kitty with wings?
Ooh, yes. Oh. Look, mommy. I have one.
So this is the Mer kitten, and we have the Mer lynx.
Look, mommy.
That's what they both are?
Mm-hmm.
Look, mommy.
Sorry, I broke the eggshell. On the long string, sorry. Okay, so you just throw it away. All right, so now that they are out of their cute little shells, this is the result that she has collected.
They don't do anything?
Nope, they just splash.
I'm gonna splash. Let's go. I'm gonna.
So if you, I think they change colors. So if you put them in water, then it changes colors.
Let's
So
get water.
it'll go from
Where's that?
blue, be careful. So from 35 degrees Celsius to 97. So from cold water to hot water, and you put them in the water, then they will change colors.
Alright.
Yep.
Let me see.
Oh, I dropped mine. Turns pink. Just drop it in there. Yours turning color?
No?
How much you put an ice cube in it?
Yeah.
Get a couple of ice cubes.
Okay.
It's room temp. So
Yeah.
if you put,
Let me get this.
why don't you get another cube?
Alright. 2?
Yeah, get 2 more. Happens. Oh, okay, ice is in the way. Oh! No, he's still green.
I think that is still green.
Okay, we'll try in the hot water and see what happens.
Oh my gosh! What?
What color did it turn?
Like a light green.
Like green.
Yeah, let's put it in. Let him change a little bit more. So, we know that cold water has no effect on them.
And then, mommy, we can take him back, right?
Yes,
Mommy.
you could turn him back.
Oh, so cool.
Yeah,
And then, like, mommy, you can change your back too.
yeah.
I wish we could see it.
I wish we could put them
Okay,
together.
watch your hands. So this is in hot water.
And cold.
So now let's, hold on. Watch out. I'm gonna take the ice cubes out
And
and we're gonna place them both in cold water. And this is the effect.
Daddy,
It changed?
mommy,
Mhm.
mommy, I want to have my tiger back. Oh, mommy, I think I think the tiger want to change him back.
Aquatic giant.
Oh my.
Okay, that's enough putting in the water now.
Alright.
Yeah, so see how they change colors?
What about their face?
The face doesn't change, it's just
Okay, let her.